This is my track to the hydro turbine intake. It goes around the hill about 2 kilometres. As you can see, it's fairly overgrown and the animals knock these rocks down on the sides. It's quite narrow, so I haven't been able to clear it with the dozer or the excavator. Now that I've got the little TB217, I'll be able to get down here, clear it all up and try and make it so I can get through there again on the ATV. When I get to the end of this track, I'm going to extend it and see if I can get closer to the stream, because it's a bit of a walk from the end of the track to the intakes. I'll see if I can get the Hilux down as well. Maybe have to widen a few places. The Hilux is quite narrow, so should get down near the end. This is the big slip here. It's been like this for probably 10 years, so hopefully I'll be able to get rid of all this dirt here and make it so I can ride the rest of the way down. We'll see how we go. Well, I'm nearly halfway there, making good progress. You might be wondering why I don't just get the big digger and dozer down here and widen it. I'd spend weeks down here trying to get through this rock, and you know, I don't really use this track very often, so there's no point really widening it. I really only need to get the four-wheeler down here, so this machine's perfect for this size track. When I made this track 20 years ago, this was a real hard piece to get through because that's a big hard rock there. I got through here with a 5-ton machine, Yanmar B50. I was here for a couple of days trying to tromp through this rock. Right, I've made it to the turnaround point where I used to be able to turn the Hilux around in here, but there's a few trees sort of blocking the way now. I've just bought this little grab bucket from Hamilton Diggers. They gave me a good discount on it, so we'll try that out and see how it goes. It should be good at getting rid of all those logs. a 5-point turn, but at least I can turn and I don't have to reverse all the way back out. That grab bucket works really well. It's a lot quicker to get rid of branches and logs with that thing. I'll work my way down this lower track and start clearing that big slip down there. Right, I've made it to the end of the track, got through no problems. Pretty much right to the stream now. The turbine intake is just down there, so I'm going to cut a little walkway through there just to make it a bit easier to get down there, and that'll be it. Right, I think that's about as far as I can go. The hydro intake is just 15 metres that way, so I'll just get the chainsaw and cut a little walking track through there, and that'll make it a lot easier to get there rather than having to go up and around like I used to do. So yeah, that's job done. So I'll just work my way back up the track, tidy it up as I go, and now I just have to start at the other end where the turbine is and make an easier track up to there. That's going to take a bit longer, so that'll do it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.